We tested a $300 robot vacuum daily for 1 week. Goal: see real performance, reliability, and hair handling. No special prep, real apartment, real mess. Day 1. Vacuum picks up most debris. Edges cleaned well. Brush performance strong. Battery lasts full run. Days 2 to 4. Hair starts tangling on brushes. Vacuum slows slightly. Corners need manual check. Still overall good performance. Days 5 to 7. Heavy hair accumulation. Brushes need cleaning daily. Some spots missed on rugs. Battery performance slightly drops. Takeaway: $300 vacuum works well for daily apartment cleaning. Maintenance is key after multiple days. Hair and rugs challenge performance. Plan accordingly. If you want to check current prices and detailed reviews, I've linked all of them in the description below. Buy smart and save your money.